The following are some of my favorite herbal medicines and supplements for arthritis. So starting off with glucosamine sulfate, which is a precursor to cartilage formation, and it's known especially in knee osteoarthritis. And it's interesting to note that there are more clinical trials on glucosamine, which is a component of that cartilage, than any other supplement, especially for knee osteoarthritis. So it's known to help with a reduction in pain and an improvement in the functioning of the joints affected. Now, in some people, glucosamine relieves pain just as well as acetaminophen, which is a commonly used over-the-counter anti-pain and of course anti-inflammatories. It's also great to note that with glucosamine sulfate, there is some evidence that shows that it helps to reduce cartilage loss as well. So actually having a positive effect on that cartilage loss as time goes on, and of course the longer that you're using it, the more benefit that you will experience. And the same is not true for the other types of glucosamine, so it's glucosamine sulfate is the one that you're looking for. MSM, now this is commonly used for knee osteoarthritis, and it may improve the actual physical functioning of the joint affected when you're getting the right MSM. Now, not confusing it with sulfa. So this is a sulfur containing molecule. I often get the question, oh, I'm allergic to sulfa drugs and antibiotics. Is this going to be possible for me to take MSM? It's very different. So of course, always checking with your practitioner, but it's sulfur containing, not sulfa. So it is very different. I also love chondroitin sulfate, and this helps with the compression of the cartilage in our joints. Now, if you remember back to, back in grade school when you were experimenting with magnets and two negative poles, they resisted one another when you tried to put them together. Much like chondroitin sulfate in our joints helps to maintain that proper joint space because of the negative charge on the chondroitin sulfate. Now, studies on knee osteoarthritis suggest that the supplementation of chondroitin is really able to reduce that water retention in inflamed joints, helps to improve mobility, and reduces pain as well. Now, another favorite herbal medicine is Boswellia, and this is from frankincense, and what you have to look for is a standardized extract of the boswellic acids, ideally at 65% or above, and this is an important triterpenoid and could be as effective as some pharmaceuticals in terms of the studies that have been done on Boswellia for the purpose of alleviating joint pain and actually improving specifically knee flexibility in people with osteoarthritis. Another thing to look for is bromelain, and bromelain of course is from the core, so the stem part of a pineapple, in a high GDU. What I like to look for is a 2400, so a high GDU, meaning gelatin digesting units, the ability to eat away at that cellular debris and those protein particles that can be in the joints, especially when a joint is highly inflamed. So using the bromelain in combination with some of the other ingredients that I've talked about can be really effective for osteoarthritis. I also like using superfood ingredients, so something that has, superfood, high antioxidant containing fruits and vegetables to help to deal with some of that free radical damage that is in those joint spaces to begin with. So if you're looking for more information, check out the links below and we'll help to point you in the right direction for some of these great, raw materials and herbal medicines in combination. So today I talked all about herbal medicines to help with arthritis. I hope that you learned something new. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. And if you have a question as well, please share this video and give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click that bell. Everyone has a calling in life, and one of mine is to educate you how to naturally live a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching.